proverbs in a illustrated way. So there is a boy who has a bird in his hand, and as you all know that we should be satisfied with what we already have rather than yearn for things which are out of our reach. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि हमें हमेशा उन चीज़ों से सेटिस्फाई होना चाहिए जो हमारे पास हैं, बल्कि उन चीज़ों की तरफ नहीं जाना चाहिए जो कि हमारी रीच से बाहर हैं. So a birds in the hand is worth two in the bush. तो इसका मतलब है, अगर हम इसको प्रोवर्ब की कहें कि a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush.
A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush.
So there is a tree, a flowers, a cloud, and a lake. So there are some owls who are sitting on a tree in a group. There are some chickens. There is a flock of birds, and there are a lot of flowers who are growing in a bunch. So as you all know that people having similar characteristics tend to come together and stay together. So जिन लोगों के अंदर सिमिलर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होते हैं वो हमेशा साथ में आने की कोशिश करते हैं. So इस प्रोवर्ब का बच्चों मतलब हुआ birds of same feather flock together. So the next proverb. So there is a grandma who has some eggs and she is hoping that she will get 1, 2, 3 and 4 chickens after the hatching of the eggs. But in reality, she got nothing. So this means we must not presume that things will work out exactly according to our expectations. We must not be very disappointed if future events don't happen as we plan. We must learn to accept disappointments. So this proverb, so here the meaning of the proverb is don't count your chicken before they hatch. So the next proverb. So there is a girl who has a beautiful insect which is a bee. So there is a boy who come and he was talking with the with that lady, and she was talking in a very flattering way. So then here comes a bee which tried to sting the boy, and the boy was running. We should not be fooled by people who flatter or talk very sweetly to us. They must never be taken at face value. We must be careful when dealing with such people. Bees that have honey in their mouths have stings in their tails. Okay, so there is a cat. When the cat is gone, the mice will come. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि अगर बच्चों हम पे आपने देखा हो क्लास के अंदर भी कुछ बच्चे बहुत नोटी होते हैं, और जब टीचर क्लास में नहीं होता है तो वो बहुत सारी नोटीफुल एक्ट करते हैं. तो ऐसे बच्चों जब कैट नहीं होती है तो माइस निकल आते हैं. तो बच्चों कई बार ऐसे होता है कि डिसिप्लिन नीड टू बी इम्पोज्ड बाय एक्सटर्नल फोर्सेस. सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन इज द नीड ऑफ आवर. So when the cat is away, the mice will play. This is the proverb. So now the second, there is a sock, a Christmas sock, a Christmas bell, and a Christmas tree with a Santa. And festivals don't come very frequently. जैसा कि आप देखते हैं कि यहाँ पर एक फेस्टिवल का सीन बन रहा है. And but when they do arrive, when what arrive? Festivals. People are very happy. So Christmas comes but once a year, but when it comes, it brings good cheer. There is a soup, there is a cook. A cook makes the soup. जो एक शेफ होता है या कुक होता है वो खाने की चीज़ें या सूप वगैरह बनाता है. लेकिन जब कुक एक हो, अगर कुक हमारे पास दो हों, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, सो अगर 10 कुक एक ही चीज़ को बनाए, too many people involved in doing the same activity may lead to confusion and chaos. Too many cooks spoil the broth. So there are some bushes, and there is a track in which a rabbit and a turtle, as you have just seen a turtle and a rabbit. The rabbit is running very fast, and he was just sit and he was then eating some carrots. but the turtle is moving steadily. It is moving, turtle is moving, and it wins the race. We must work steadily toward our goals. हमें हमेशा बच्चों हमें अपने गोल के प्रति आराम से और लगातार काम करते रहना चाहिए. एंड नेवर अंडर एस्टिमेट अवर ओपोनेंट, और कभी भी अपने सामने प्रतिद्वंदी को अपने से कमतर नहीं समझना चाहिए. ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस may lead to defeat. Slow and steady wins the race, as the proverb says. So there is a girl who is doing nothing and she's thinking something. Here comes some devil मतलब शैतान, and the boy and the girl is thinking about wandering outside. If we let our mind be ideal, अगर हम अपने दिमाग को खाली छोड़ देंगे, and the devil will take over, और जो devil है वो हमको हमारे पे काबू कर लेगा. And fill our minds with टेम्पटेशन, और हमारे दिमाग के अंदर बहुत सारी चीज़ों को भर देगा. An ideal mind is a devil's workshop. So next पे आते हैं हम. So there are some flowers, a tree, and a family who is eating some. Okay, so please wait, students. I'm just doing some settings. Yes. So there is a family who is eating the fruits of the tree, and a doctor is going away from the family. Apple and other fruits are full of vitamins. Eating them regularly keeps away diseases. तो बच्चों, जो एप्पल और अदर फ्रूट्स होते हैं वो उनमें बहुत सारे विटामिन होते हैं जो हमारी इम्यूनिटी को बूस्ट करते हैं. और ईटिंग दैम रेगुलरली, अगर हम उनको रेगुलर खाते हैं तो हम डिजीज़ को दूर कर देते हैं. So an apple a day keeps the doctor away, as the proverb says. So there is a mother and her child, and the boy and the child is crying because he is hungry. Sometimes if the circumstances demands us, we should be vocal about our needs, otherwise we may be deprived. बच्चों, कई बार ऐसी चीज़ें आती हैं कि जब हमको अपने नीड्स के बारे में बताना होता है. अगर हम अपने नीड्स को नहीं बताएंगे तो हम हमेशा चीज़ों से मतलब चीज़ें हमको नहीं मिल पाएंगी. जैसे कि छोटे बच्चे होते हैं, अगर उनको कुछ नीड होती है तो वो रोने लगते हैं, तो ताकि उनको वो चीज़ें मिल सकें. सो द प्रोवर्ब्स इज अ क्राइंग चाइल्ड गेट्स द मिल्क. जैसे एक रोते बच्चे को दूध मिलता है, ऐसे ही हमको अपनी नीड्स के लिए हमेशा वोकल या फिर बोलना चाहिए. सो दिस इज़ द सो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज़ द एंड ऑफ आवर वीडियो. थैंक यू.